Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create the GIF easily in this device. First of all, open the camera application. Now go to the camera settings. For this, tap on this option. Tap on settings. So here you can see the option swipe shutter button 2. Tap on this one. Here you can see two options, take burst shot or create GIF when you swipe down the shutter button. So to create a GIF, then you need to select the option create GIF. Now go back, open the camera, just swipe down the shutter button. After 30 seconds, it will take. Yeah. Now go to the gallery. You can see that GIF you can see here. Go to the gallery. So you can see that GIF icon is also there. GIF, right? So simply in this way you can create a GIF easily in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.